If the rectangular canal have base of 0.65 meters, what would be the depth of the flow when the hydraulic radius is equal to the area of the flow? So first, we will write the given. And it says here that hydraulic radius is equal to the area of the flow. And we know that R is also area over the wetted perimeter. Okay, so the perimeter is just 1. And we know that to find the perimeter of the rectangular channel, we can have this equation, b plus 2d. If we will draw that one, it's base plus twice the depth. That is the perimeter of the rectangular canal. So substitute 1 equals b plus 2d. So the base is given 0.65 plus twice the depth. So that's just 0.175 meters. Okay. So for the next problem, we have to find for the critical depth. The critical depth in a rectangular channel with a bottom width of 4 meters for discharge of 5 meter cube per second is what? So okay, this is problem number 1. So this is problem number 2. For this one, this problem mentions the critical depth. So we have to apply the Froude number equation, in which Froude number is just V over square root of GL. And because it says critical depth, the Froude number of a channel with a critical flow is just 1. Because if we have F is less than 1, we have laminar flow. Whereas if our Froude number is greater than 1, we have turbulent flow. Okay, so remember, for open channels, this variable L is our characteristic length. For open channel flow, L is just area over the top width. But for rectangular canals, the top width is just equal to the base or the bottom width, right? This one here is just equal to this variable B. So, okay, so that is V over square root of G A over T is 1. Okay, so V is just from the discharge equation, that is just Q over A, right? So that is Q squared over A squared G A over T. So that is, or let's just write this as B because they are just the same. That is Q squared B equals A cube G for this. Let's express this as BD, right? So that's BD cube G, B cube D cube G. So let's find for the depth. That is D cube equals Q squared B cube G. Okay. So that's 5, right? Because this is given. Here, discharge is 5 meter cube per second. 5 squared B cube, that is 4. Bottom width 4 squared. 4 squared 9.81. D is 25. That's 0.54 meters.